Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. And all those king's horses and all the king's men and couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again.
Hey, Shasha, what are you doing? Where's baby? Oh, baby is right here.
Jack and Joe went up the hill to fetch the pail of water. And Jack fell down and broke his crown. And Joe came out together